In this video, let's unbox this boAt Stone 200 Bluetooth speaker and see what features it offers, have a first look at it and see if this speaker is actually worth buying. This speaker offers a lot of specifications and features that are not available on speakers that are even twice or three times more expensive than this one. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this speaker has an MRP of 3000 rupees and I bought it for 899 on the Amazon sale. So I was a little bit skeptical about this one being good initially, but my impressions presently changed. And this speaker was a highly rated speaker on Amazon. About 3700 reviews were given on it and it has an average rating of about 4.5. So that was the thing that made me buy it. So let's go ahead and unbox this finally. I'll place the link to buy this from Amazon and Flipkart down in the description below. And the price of this keeps varying a little bit. On sale you can find it around 900 rupees. Right now it's placed somewhere around 1100 rupees. But even at that price, it's a pretty good deal. So this is the boAt speaker. So it is stated as portable yet powerful, and I agree with that. So let's have a look at the features that this speaker offers. Obviously this is a Bluetooth speaker. Obviously this is a Bluetooth speaker. It says here that it is shock proof, water resistant, and it's a 3-watt speaker, and it has a up to 10-hour battery backup. So let's open it up. I don't think there is anything else useful around here. So this is the leaflet and this is the speaker, and it does seem a bit durable, and it seems like as if it is inside a case. And surprisingly, it has a USB cable and an aux cable, and that's really great to see at this price point, because many speakers around the price point of 2000 rupees don't even offer aux cable and a USB cable, which is really essential. And as you can see, it is a micro USB cable here. So let's put that aside. So this is the speaker. You can hang it at some place, and these are the buttons on top. This is the power button. This is the volume down button. This is the play and pause button. This is the volume up button. So let's power it on. You have to long press it to turn it on, and it gives this light when you turn it on. And let's quickly have a look at this guide here. So you can answer calls here and do a lot of stuff. So I think I'll just pair it with my smartphone here. So it is pairing. Okay, so this gives this kind of a tune when it pairs up. And the good thing is that it says here, it shows here the battery percentage, and that is not available on some of the expensive speakers even. And on Motorola smartphones, when it is paired, it shows here the percentage to which it is paired, but on LG devices it's showing here without any percentage mark. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch the full review for this speaker, and when I make the video I'll place that link down in the description below, and if you like it, click on the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.